हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम जूलॉजी पेपर 2 BSc फोर्थ सेम की टॉप 50 MCQ डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, अगर आपको क्लास अच्छी लगी, इंटरेस्टिंग लगी तो लाइक बटन को ज़रूर प्रेस कीजिएगा और सब्सक्राइब बटन को भी प्रेस कीजिएगा। ओके, तो चलिए देर न करते हुए आज की इस क्लास को शुरू करते हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, दैट इज यूनिट 1, यूनिट 2, यूनिट 3 एंड यूनिट 4। ओके, ऑल यूनिट्स यहाँ पर हम कवर करेंगे। ओके, टोटल यूनिट कवर करेंगे। ओके, सो आपको वीडियो एंड तक ज़रूर देखना है क्योंकि मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQ डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, अ न्यूक्लियोसाइड इज composed of, so friends that is option number A, that is a base plus a sugar. Okay, base plus sugar, nucleoside is composed of base plus sugar friends. Now question number 2, two strands in DNA, double helix is joined by hydrogen bond. Okay, so option number B friends, that is hydrogen bond should be the correct answer. Now next question friends, question number 3, the length of one turn of DNA is, that is 34 angstrom. Option B is correct answer. Question number 4, the width of DNA molecule is, option number C, that is the 20 angstrom is correct answer. Okay, now next questions, question number 5, left-handed DNA is what? The left-handed DNA is option number C, that is Z-DNA. Okay, now question number 6, Z-DNA have, option B is correct answer, that is zigzag appearance. Okay, the question number 6 का करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी, दैट इज Z-DNA हैव अ zigzag appearance. Now question number 7, which of the following is not a component of nucleic acid, that is backbone. So friends, that is option number C and D, that is nucleotide and phosphodiester bond is correct answer. Both of is correct answer. Now next questions, RNA is, that is RNA is single stranded. Okay, RNA is single stranded is correct answer. Now next questions, question number 9, the RNA molecule which is used to carry genetic information copied from DNA, that is option number B is correct answer, mRNA. Now next questions, what is the measure of RNA produced in cell required for transition, that is option number C, rRNA is correct answer. rRNA is the major type of RNA and produced in the cell required for translation. Now question number 11, the name of the secondary structure of tRNA is, that is the chloroleaf. Okay, so option A chloroleaf is correct answer friends. Now next questions, question number 12, amino acids are attached to acceptor arm of tRNA is correct answer. Amino acids are attached to acceptor arm of tRNA. Now next questions, question number 13, promoter genes has, that is recognition sites, initiation binding sites and RNA initiation site. So friends, option D all of the above is correct answer. Now question number 14, in eukaryotes and bacteria the most common form of regulation is, that is transcriptional control. Okay, transcriptional control should be the correct answer friends. Now next questions, question number 15, the region of DNA in a eukaryotic gene that is encode a polypeptide product are called exons. So friends, option number A is correct answer. Now next questions, question number 16, which of the following is not part of RNA processing in eukaryotes? So friends, option B, that is reverse transcriptase. Okay, reverse transcriptase is not a part of RNA processing in eukaryotes. Now next questions, question number 17 friends, which of the following is not a method of gene expression control in eukaryotes? So friends, option number B, that is replication process, okay, is not have a method of gene expression control in eukaryotes. Now next questions, that is question number 18, in Griffith's experiment which of the following strain of that is pneumococci was isolated from dead mice, so live smooth cells. Option C is correct answer, friends. Okay, option C is correct answer. Now question number 19, which of the following combined is a correct observation for the transformation experiment performed by Griffith? So friends, option A, that is type 3S. okay, that is living स्मूथ लिविंग प्लस माउस दैट इज डेड। अगर हमने क्या किया, स्मूथ प्लस लिविंग प्लस माउस किया तो उसकी क्या हो जाएगी, डेथ हो जाएगी। नाउ दैट्स वाई ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट आंसर। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रेंड्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, द फ्रेडरिक ग्रिफिथ experiments involve the Streptococcus pneumonia that is leads to the discovery of option D, that is transforming principle is correct answer. Transforming principle is correct answer friends. Now next question friends, यूनिट 2 के डिस्कस करेंगे, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, double helix structures of DNA is discovered by Watson and Crick. Very very important as point of competitive exam, this questions is also important. Okay, very very important questions friends. Okay, so double helix structures of the DNA is discovered by, that is Watson and Crick is correct answer. ओके, अगर आपको सपने में पूछे कि डबल हेलिक्स स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ डीएनए इज डिस्कवर्ड बाय विच साइंटिस्ट, तो वाटसन एंड ग्रीक इज करेक्ट आंसर। इन्हें नोबेल पुरस्कार भी मिला है। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रेंड्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, बेस सीक्वेंस ऑफ इज parental strands considered to synthesize new complementary strands, true or false? So base sequence of each parental strand considered to synthesize new complementary strand, this statement is 100% true. Okay, option A is correct answer. Now friends, question number 3, what is a mode of replication of in E. coli? So semi conservation. Option D, semi conservation is mode of replication of E. coli is correct answer. Now question number 4, what is the origin of replication? So friends, option A, that is particular site at which the DNA replication states. Okay, particular site at which the DNA replication start is the origin of replication. Okay, now question number 5 friends, how many numbers of replication in found in E. coli? So friends, option C, that is single replication. Okay, single replication is found in E. coli. Now question number 6, which of the following protein is required for connecting Okazaki fragments? So DNA gyrase, option D is correct answer. Now next question number 7, name of the protein which is responsible for the formations of RNA primer, that is primase protein. Okay, so primase protein is responsible for the formation of RNA primer. You know very well RNA primer because you are a zoology king. Now next question number 8, semi-conservative DNA replication was first demonstrated in, that is E. coli bacteria, Escherichia. Option B is correct answer. Now question number 9, which of the following enzyme remove supercoiling in replicating DNA ahead of the replication fork? So option D friends, that is topoisomerase is correct answer. Okay, now next question number 10, the enzyme used to join bits of DNA is option B, that is the DNA ligase is correct answer. Now question number 11, which of the following is not a features of genetic code? So option D, that is ambiguous. Ambiguous is not a features of the genetic code. Triplet, degenerate and non-overlapping is also the features of the genetic code, but the ambiguous is not a features of the genetic code. Now next questions, a codon is a, that is option C, triplet should be the correct answer. Okay, a codon is a triplet. Now question number 13, which of the following is not a termination codon? So friends, जो UAC होता है, okay, is not a termination codon, but the UGA, UAG and UAA is termination codon. Now the initiation codon is option A, AUG. Okay, important question से The initiation codon is AUG. Now question number 15. How many tRNAs are required to translate all 61 codon? Again I will repeat, how many tRNAs are required to translate all 61 codons? So option B, that is the 32, should be the correct answer. Okay, the 32 tRNAs are required to translate all the 61 codons. Now question number 16. Which position of a codon is said to be wobble? Okay, so option C friends, that is third positions of the codon is said to be wobbled, should be the correct answer. Now next question number 17. The genetic code translated the language of option C, that is RNA, into that of protein, is correct answer. RNA into that of protein is correct answer. Now next question number 18. The initiation codon AUG in prokaryotes codes for option B, that is pharmyl methionine, should be the correct answer. Now next question number 19. Transcription is the transfer of genetic information from option B, DNA to mRNA, is correct answer friends. Transcription is the method of genetic information carried from DNA to mRNA. Okay, and homework friends, आपको बताना है कि ट्रांसलेशन मीन्स क्या होता है. ओके, ट्रांसलेशन मीन्स क्या होता है, ट्रांसलेशन मीन्स क्या होता है, ये आपको कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट्स करके बताना है. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. सिग्मा फैक्टर इज अ कंपोनेंट ऑफ ऑप्शन डी RNA polymerase, is correct answer. So the sigma factor is a component of RNA polymerase. Now question number 21 friends. The main functions of tRNA with regards to protein synthesis is the friends option D, all of the above, is correct answer. Now next question number 22. One end of tRNA matches genetic code in 3 nucleotide sequence known as option D anticodon, is correct answer. Okay, anticodon is correct answer friends. Now question number 23. Conversion of messages carried by mRNA into amino acid sequence is called option C, translation, is correct answer. Okay, so conversion of messages carried out mRNA into amino acid sequence is called translation. Now question number 24. Name of the sequence of RNA which is recognized by a small subunits of ribosome. Option D, that is Sine Dalgarno sequence, is correct answer. Okay, that is Sine Dalgarno sequence is an correct answer. Then question number 25. During translation, the type of amino acid that is added to the growing polypeptide depends on option A, that is codon on the mRNA and anticodon on the RNA, is correct answer. Now next question number 26. Translation requires the input of option number E, all of the above, is correct answer. Okay, all of the above is correct answer. That means mRNA templates, ribosomes, tRNAs, various enzymatic factors. So translator requires that. Now question number 27. Lac operon is an example of what? So friends, option number C is correct answer. So lac operon is an example of both positive and negative regulation. Now question number 28. Lac operon will be turned on when? So glucose is enog, option D is correct answer. Glucose is enog in the medium. Now question number 29. Where does a repressor bind on operon? So option A, operator. Okay, so operator, the repressor bind on operon, should be the correct answer. Now question number 30. Which of the following is not required for the expression of genes in the lactose operon? So friends, option A, that is the lacal gene product, is correct answer. Now question number 31. In lac operon, the gene product of lac A gene is option B, that is the beta galactosidase, that is transacetylase, is correct answer friends. Okay, beta galactoside and transacetylase is correct answer. Now question number 32. Which of this system give the best mode of turning trap operon of. So option D, that is repressor with an attenuator, is correct answer. Now next question number 32. We know that lactose has a positive impact on the activity of the lac operon. So the tryptophan's presence has option B, that is negative feedback, is correct answer. Okay, so फ्रेंड्स A33 एंड O25 लगभग 50 क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए हमने ओनली 2 यूनिट के, मोस्ट एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट। अगर क्लास अच्छी लग रही है तो लाइक बटन को जरूर हिट कीजिएगा। अगर न्यू सब्सक्राइबर हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइबर जरूर कीजिएगा। ओके, नाउ यूनिट 3 के टॉप 20 MCQ डिस्कस करेंगे अब। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। So question 1, to which type of barriers under innate immunity to saliva in mouth and tears eye belongs? So the physiological barriers is correct answer friends, option number A. Now next questions, both the beta cells and T cells immune system are produced in bone marrow should be the correct answer. That's why option C is an correct answer. Now question number 3, cell involved in immune mechanism or cell involved in immune mechanism or option B, that is lymphocytes, is correct answer. Now question number 4 friends, the principal developmental organ of T cell corresponds to the option A, that is thymus, is correct answer. Now next question number 5, that is characters of acquired immunity is. So option A, differentiation of self and non-self, option B, specificity of antigen, option C, retain memory, and option D, all of the above. So friends, all of the above is correct answer. Now question number 6, acquired immunity as developed after vaccination or infection is found in option A, vertebrates only, is correct answer. Now next questions, active immunity is due to option C, that is memory cells, is correct answer friends. Now next questions, immunity acquired after an infection is option A, that is active immunity, is correct answer. Now friends, question 9, short-lived immunity acquired by fetus infants from mother though the placenta milk is. So passive immunity, option number B, is correct answer. Now next questions, which one helps in differentiation of cells in immune system? So option B, that is the thymosin, is correct answer. Now question number 11, surgical removal of thymus of a newborn shall result in failure to produce, that is option C, that is T lymphocyte, is correct answer. Now question number 12, the T cell respond to pathogen by producing option D, that is the killer T cells, helper T cell, and suppressor T cell, is correct answer. Now question number 13, the antigen determinants of an antigen that are recognized by antibody or option B, that is epitopes, is correct answer. Now question number 14, the antigen binding site of antibody is found in option B, that is the variable region of heavy chain, is correct answer. Now question number 15, antigen are found in option D, on cell surface, should be the correct answer. Now option 16, that is the antibodies or complex, that is glycoprotein, is correct answer friends. Okay, so antibodies are the complex glycoproteins, should be the correct answer. Now question number 17, which is most abundant immunoglobulin? So friends, which is most abundant immunoglobulin? So that is Ig. Okay, IgG is most abundant, that is immunoglobulin. Now question number 18, GHN is present in option C, that is both A and B, IgA and IgM, should be the correct answer. Now question number 19, which is not a function of IgA? So friends, option B, fixed complement. Okay, so fixed complement is correct answer. Now friends, question number 20, that is Agglutinations reactions is more sensitive than precipitation for the deletion of which, so deletion of option A antigen. Okay, now next questions. The precipitation reactions is rarely less sensitive for the detection of, that is option C friends, antibodies is correct answer. Now question number 22. Which of the following cases a large lattice is formed? So friends, option B, that is antigen and antibodies are in optional proportion. Okay, large lattice is formed. Now the last यूनिट के MCQ बचे फ्रेंड्स. ओके, एंड इस यूनिट के भी लगभग 20 या 15 MCQ डिस्कस करेंगे. सो हमारे चारों टॉपिक के मिलकर MCQ बन जाएंगे फ्रेंड्स 100+ MCQ. ओके, 100+ MCQ बन जाएंगे, 100+ MCQ बन जाएंगे फ्रेंड्स हमारे चारों टॉपिक के. और कल के पेपर के लिए आपका जो होने वाला है मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट रहेगा. ओके, तो चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर बीटा सेल एक्टिवेशन? सो फ्रेंड्स ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज एंटीजन is responsible for beta cell activation. Now question number 2. The CD8 is a marker of what? The CD8 is a marker of, that is cytotoxic T cell is correct answer. Which of the following is not the class of the T cell? So option D friends, that is T activator cell is correct answer. Now question number 4 friends, that is humoral immunity is immediately by, option C, that is lymphocytes is correct answer. Now question number 5 friends, which of the following substances will not stimulate an immune response unless they are bound to a large molecule? So option C, that is hapten should be the correct answer. Now question number 6 friends, T cell help for antibody production? So option B, that is depends on the T cells recognition of antigen passed by the beta cell is correct answer. Now question number 7 friends, the complement system consists of the 20 serum proteins. Option B, serum proteins act as the biological that is cascade. So option C friends, both A and B is correct answer. Now question number 8 friends, complement system is involved in, option C, both A and B, that means specific depends and non-specific depends. Okay, now the question number 9, the beta cells as distinct from the T cells. So the option B, that is bare surface Ig receptors for antigen is correct answer. Now question number 10, which of the following is not a functions of the complement system? So option C, that is the AIDS pathogen is not a function of complement system. Now question number 11 friends, that is complement component C3b is option E, that is opsonized bacteria is correct answer. Now next questions, question number 12, one principal functions of complement is due to, option A, that is the bind antibodies attached to cell surfaces and to lie these cells is correct answer. Now question number 12 friends, 13, which of the following the C1 subunits has the catalytic activity that cleave the C4 and C2 complement proteins? So friends, option C, the C1s is correct answer. Now question number 14 friends, the complement activation pathway that is activated by antigen antibody complexes is, so friends option A, that is classical pathway is correct answer. Now question number 15 friends, the factor involved in alternative pathway is all of the above, option E is correct answer, because the factors involved in alternative pathway is for factor B, factor D, factor S and factor I is correct answer. Now next questions, the question number 16, the alternative pathway is activated in response to antigen and but does not require antibody, that is interactions. The following proteins or the component of the alternative pathway except C3 pathway. Okay, so except C3, that is factor B, factor D and properdin is also correct answer. Now the question number 17, that is cytokinase always act that is by binding to specific receptor. Cytokinase always act by binding to specific receptor. Question number 18, the characteristic properties of cytokinin are. So parents, the characteristic properties of cytokinin are option D, all of the above should be the correct answer. That means option A, that is pleiotropy and redundancy. Okay, option B, that is synergy and antagonism. Option C, that is cascade, induction and amplification. That means all of the above is the correct answer. Now next questions, question number 19, name the cytokinase which release in response to virus infection. So option A, that is interferon is correct answer. Okay, interferon is correct answer. Now next questions, majority of autoimmune disease are. Option B, antibody mediated is correct answer pen. Okay, so majority of autoimmune disease are antibody mediated. Now next questions, question number 21 friends. Okay, so all of the following are autoimmune disorders except, that is SCID except this: Graves' disease, the rheumatoid arthritis and Addison's disease are the autoimmune disorder. Now question number 22, in severe the combined immune deficiency, that is SCID, the patients are deficient in both A and B. Option C, that means beta cell and T cell is correct answer. Now question number 23, HIV attacks the T helper cell is correct answer. Okay, so HIV attacks on the T helper cells. Okay, this one is important questions. And tell me, the World AIDS Day celebrates on which day? So friends, the 1 December. Okay, 1 December is the World AIDS Day. Okay, 1 December is correct answer friends. Now this one is last questions in this class. All of the following are immunodeficiency disease except the Graves' disease. Okay, so option B, SCID, that is option B, that is DZOR syndrome. Option D, hyper IgM syndrome. So except E option, the Graves' disease. Okay, all of the immunodeficiency disease. Okay, so 8 top 100+ MCQ फ्रेंड्स। अगर आपको क्लास अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक बटन को प्रेस कीजिए, अगर न्यू हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। एंड ऑल द बेस्ट, टेक केयर।